What's wrong?
How'd you find that test, Mike? No, I didn't get a thing about Rutherford's goal for the
Tim and his antics. It was pretty hard though, wasn't it?
Yeah. What did you do with that experiment?
Yeah, it's... I don't know, Rutherford is just a crazy guy.
Something to do with bar and particles with the goal forwards.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Ooh, hard.
Wait, do they pass?
I know
they
they
don't
do.
pass.
Our top story tonight, a recent outbreak of a virus has caused a widespread panic and a zombie attack throughout the nation. Our most recent reported attack was on 5 dashing school lads as they attempted to do their school revision. 4 of the kids managed to survive, however one was sadly eaten alive. Horrible, horrible scenes. This recent attack has led scientists to speculate whether it's related to Rutherford's gold foil experiment of 1909. Over to our science correspondent Tom Graves to tell you more.
It is believed that the recent zombie outbreak, informally known as the AU virus, is somehow related to Rutherford's gold foil experiment, according to top scientist Stephen Hawking. He says that when positively charged particles are fired at gold foil, only 1 in 8,000 would rebound off. Thus the remaining protons would pass directly through. Rutherford concluded that this alpha scattering showed that the atoms of gold are mainly empty space, with tiny regions of concentrated charge, and this is the reason for the repulsion of the alpha particles. Mr. Hawkins has studied the CCTV footage in vast detail, and has arrived at the hypothesis that the general idea of the Rutherford experiment has been planted deep within the zombies' behaviour. As you can see from the video footage shown on your screen now, the 5 students circled here are said to act similarly to the protons in the Rutherford experiment. 4 of them are able to escape with little effort, as shown here on the footage, and it would appear that the undead have no intentions of seriously harming them. However, observe closely the student who is closest to the camera at this point. Nearly all of the zombies' attention is solely on the one pupil, who was brutally murdered. This is just like in the Rutherford experiment, but instead of the pupil bouncing back, as the particles do in the experiment, he's instead, sadly, slowly being eaten alive. Many top scientists have had their own opinions on it, but Stephen Hawking is leading the research into it now, as he's an expert in the field. This is what he had to say.
There is yet more evidence to support this theory. My team and I are working very hard to get to the bottom on what has gone on here and what was the cause, and then on developing a possible antivirus to prevent this disease from spreading any further. More information will be published within the next couple of days.
Thank you. We'll provide more information as it becomes clear.